Testing 1, 2, 3.
EY is launching a series of podcasts on the buzzword today, generative AI. But then, one thing that worries me is that are we understanding it well, or are we not understanding it well in terms of the capability and the power? Are we building misconceptions around it? And what's your view on that?
Well, I think it's a great point, Devesh. While there is immense promise, there is immense potential, but we must understand that this is still a nascent technology. And especially in field like tax or interpretation of law or dealing with numbers, especially which have to be filed with tax authorities, right? You have to have human in loop. I don't think we are at a point where we can simply rely on machine generated outcomes and go ahead and submit. We have to almost treat this as a co-pilot or a digital assistant, which can do a lot of those things for you, which you don't like, or you wish you had a magic wand. But at the end of the day, you need a human in loop who can come in and really validate what is happening and then take on from there, take the final decision and make the filing or make the judgment call. So to that extent, it's a great assistant and a great pilot or a co-pilot, but not an autopilot. Let's not mistake this to be an autopilot.